What are the most common mistakes people make when dealing with pests? Well, it kind of depends on what the pest is. If you're talking about ants or roaches or the common household insects, I think what I see most often is people think if this product says use 1 ounce, if I use 3 ounces, it's going to work 3 times as fast. Sometimes if you use too much of a product, you may repel the insect. So instead of the insect getting into the poison and dying, they are repelled from the insecticide and they go somewhere else in your house, and you literally spread your problem everywhere. Let me give you a great example. Ants. It's always best to use a bait when you're trying to get rid of ants. Well, if you use a repellent bait, you may spread the ants all over your house, whereas if you use a non-repellent bait, they're not repelled, they'll walk right into it, they'll get it on their body, they'll spread it to their brethren, and pretty soon you've killed the whole colony.